In this video, we will demonstrate installing Opayo Pi Module from osCommerce account. If your website has not been connected to AppShop yet, watch the video connecting to AppShop first and then watch this video. Log into your account on Find Opayo Pi Module on AppShop and click on Add to My Library button. Navigate to the admin area of your website and click on AppShop and My Library tabs. Opayo Pi Module is ready for installation, so click on Install button. Choose the required sales channel or install the module on all the sales channels at once and click on Continue Installation button. You will see the success page that your module has been installed. Click on Check Settings for the required platform link. You can start configuring your module now. See the links to the videos below demonstrating how to install Opayo Pi Module from admin area, as well as how to configure Opayo Pi Module and test it on the front end.